hug this white line.
But don't hug it too much. That's what I did when I went down the back of the Dragon. Remember, I went off the road there a little bit?
You were watching me, though.
Yeah, I know. He wasn't so damn sexy.
This is pretty cool. I like this. When you're out in the woods. I like it here, Roger.
I told you you would. You haven't seen hardly anything yet.
I know, but I like it here already.
Got all these places and things to do, and to fit it in the small time frame we got.
We just have to come back another time.
Well, that's what I said yesterday. I like that cabin. Maybe we can book it again next year. I kind of like the advice that guy gave about getting back home. Just pick cities and go from city to city to city.
Yeah.
We'll just go from Harley shop to Harley shop to Harley shop. Only you, Roger.
Only you, Roger.
Because really we have 4 days to get home. We could do that.
This reminds me of the back of the Dragon.
Yeah.
Go up where you can see the cars going above you. That's what we're doing now.
We're out in Sturgis too, remember?
Yeah. Yeah. Both of them. Down the hills, the road, we just go up.
A hell of a lot more cars on here than last time I was on here. There's only like a few cars. You want to pull over?
Yeah. My big one I wanted to take pictures. Ooh, okay. That's nice. If I keep getting on and off this bike, I'll never get on and off later.
A lot of people say once you see one mountain, you see them all, you know.
Yeah.
I'd like to take you out to Colorado. Trees only grow up so high, and then the rest of the mountains have got rocks on top. And so all those red rocks, and they got houses built on top of the rocks. It's just kind of different. Go out there, we got to plan that kind of middle of summer. There's a turkey.
One wild animal we've seen.
Besides Brenda.
Roger. Nature exhibits.
Feel cooler coming up here?
Yeah, this is good. Looks like the AC is on.
So you stop sweating for a little bit, huh?
And go down, then we get through again, and it'll be like stepping back outside. Smell somebody's brakes.
Yeah.
Ooh, it's terrible.
Oh, we got another tunnel.
Here's the Jeep tours.
Yeah.
It's like just ducky tours.
Creek coming down through there. Chimney top.
The chimney? Chimney?
Chimney. Whatever.
Whatever.
I can tell everybody I'm a country boy.
Swapping.
I see.
Where are all
Now,
these people at?
down in the trail. Oh, we get to go through.
Jeez, I'm not. Oh, these are the ones I've seen on Facebook. All these tunnels.
And go around and go on top. See, I don't remember that. To a loopy loop.
A loopy loop off. Like you're on a damn roller coaster.
Yep. Now that's just like out Sturgis. Custer Park.
There's rocks in the water going down through it.
Yeah.
Pretty huge rocks.
Yeah. Probably drink that water straight out of the.
Clean looking.
Drive with caution. Road work ahead. Somebody needs to turn the heat up a little bit. Yeah. Got the air conditioner out too low like you did last night.
I had it up high last night. Pretty down there.
Yeah.
That reminded me of, where was we at?
New Hampshire,
Vermont.
Vermont.
How that was down